Hello, I'm Sakari Oramo, and I'm here at the Royal College of Music today to give you a behind-the-scenes look with the Royal College of Music Symphony Orchestra. Rehearsals have been going very well. The musicians are brilliant. The concert on the 25th of August, performed together by the Symphony Orchestras of the Royal College of Music London and the Sibelius Academy Helsinki, consists of Jean Sibelius, the Wood Nymph, an early tone poem by Sibelius and only performed at the Proms once before. We are also performing a song cycle by Lara Poe, a recent graduate from the Royal College of Music, titled Songs from the Countryside, and will be performed by the Finnish soprano Anu Komsi. And to round off, we are performing Gustav Holst's The Planets to celebrate the 150th year of the composer's birth. For me, it's always a great joy to bring together students from different schools, from different countries, from different cultures, and we will get a really fantastic group of young musicians performing together. And I really hope you'll be able to join us at our concert at the BBC Proms.